walk through and record whatever we can. So let's go. Guys, so we're gonna come on these swings. As you can see, we're gonna go on the swings. So we can't record on the swings, I don't think. Yeah, probably not. But we're gonna go on the swings and we'll show you when we're getting on. So, okay guys, so we did go on, I think like 4 rides. I'm not sure. We went on Calico River Rapids. We went on the teacups and we went on Sahara Sidewinder. Oh, and then we're going on the swings right now. So, and then we also went on the carriage. So we'll just take you along on the rest of the rides that we go on. So let's go. Hey guys, so we just finished the swings. That was really good. It's really sunny, but we are thinking about going on accelerator because I really want to go on it, but we're right here in Supreme Street. So yeah.
Are you gonna go on that one or that one?
No. Okay guys, so we did get off Supreme Street. It was actually really good. I almost died, but yeah. But now we're gonna get on the bumper cars. So we'll see you when we're done, and if I can record a little bit on the bumper cars, I will. So let's go. Okay guys, so we are on the bumper cars, but I'm not able to record while the ride is in motion, but I'm here. Here's my car, so yeah. Okay guys, so we just finished on bumper cars, so now we're gonna watch an Indian dancing. This is the area. I will record some of it to show you guys. But yeah, so I'll see you during the show. guys, right now we are going to go again on the Calico River Rapids ride by ourselves, and then we're gonna come back with my uncle.
This is a camera woman reveal.
Oh yeah, this is the camera woman. Sorry.
Emily, move out the way.
Okay, but yeah, hopefully we don't get too wet. And then we'll come back with my uncle. But yeah, let go. Okay guys, so we are halfway through and it's literally a walk on. We're literally just walking. But yeah, it's actually kind of, yeah.
Like,
But it's kind of nice. But let me just show you a little bit of this.
I want to.
Okay guys, we just got off, but we are gonna go back again, and this will be our last ride, and then we will leave Knott's Farm. So yeah, so yeah guys. Okay guys, so we went on the 2 times on Calico River Rapids, but we are gonna go see Snoopy. So we'll show you when we go see Snoopy. Let's go.
Excited to see Snoopy.
Me. Yeah. Excited to see Snoopy.
Me.
Woo! Can you do the stompy stomp?
Do a little stomp stomp.
Woo!
Dance.
Ooh, yes, Snoopy. Now all we need is music. Okay, guys, so we just finished meeting Snoopy. So fun. Loved it. So now we are going to be leaving the park. So let's go.
The only little one's doing. Oh, look at that.
Okay, guys, so we are leaving the park.
Thank you. Bye. Have a good day.
So then get you there.
The triple bubble, that's 3 geodes formed into one. Very cool. This is from southern Chihuahua, Mexico. Very nice. You do have all kinds of cool stuff in this beautiful geode. This here that looks like snow is called druzy quartz. That's super small crystals about the size of a grain of salt. Nice clear agate here with more clear quartz crystals beneath the surface. White wavy Sydney. Kind of looks like a white milk yolk, also known as calcium carbonate. This black mineral here is called manganese, a really cool mineral with volcanic ash from the volcanic region of southern Chihuahua, Mexico. That is 38 million years old. All right. Would you like to be the first to touch the inside of this beautiful geo? Congratulations, first person. Very cool. You will always be the first. No one else will ever be able to say that. Very nice. All right, with that, I'll wrap it up for you. You don't have to carry away geode around.
Super toxic, but there was just enough that got trapped inside that geode that if you guys have a UV light, as soon as it's gonna fluoresce green on the inside into all that bits of uranium. Pretty cool.
Anyway, your present, the one thing you've been waiting for since you walked in the door, the sweet, sweet sound of the dismissal bell. Class dismissed, you all get A's.
Oh, we all get A's.
Thank you.
Does that like transfer to my real class?